Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Opportunity cost is a tricky concept, but we can master it together right now. Let's find the cost of keeping cash at home quickly. Opportunity cost represents the value of the next best alternative you give up when making a choice. When you keep cash at home, you are choosing not to use it elsewhere. Holding non-interest-bearing cash means you are foregoing the chance to earn a return. You could have put that money into a financial asset that pays you back with interest regularly. Thus, the nominal interest rate you missed out on is your true cost. This makes option D the perfect answer for our economic problem today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps for success.